Mumulan na takma ba? Sige. At to appointment. Ay, to appointment. Naka-record. To appointment. To the PNP. Dapat may danimin nga lilima. Una, kailangan o sa kang citizen niton Pilipinas. Kadua, person with good moral character. Ikatulo, must be pass the psychiatric, psychological examination or drug test or physical test. By credited of the government hospital. Ikaapat, possess baccalaureate degree from organized institution of learning. Kalima, must have eligible of accordance from the standard set by the commission. NAPOLCOM Memorandum Circular number 2008-003. May daan na napulo under iton. Number 5, dapat may danim eligibility or dapat eligible ka para ma-appoint ka sa PNP. Una, must be pass the NAPOLCOM entrance exam. Ikadua, under Republic Act 11131, under Republic Act 6506, dapat ka licensed criminologist. Ikatulo, kinanglan under iton Republic Act 1080, bar and board exam o baccalaureate degree or ito number 4 naman, PD 907 or presidential degree. Granting civil service eligibility to honor grads. Number 5, dapat civil service professional ka. Ikaw, 1, must not be dishonorable of military employment or any civilian or dismiss of any civilian position in the government. Ikapito, must not be convicted by final offense or crime involving the moral turpitude. Ikawalo naman, kinanglan must have at least 1.62 for male nga height, ngahin 1.57 for female. Pero darahan bago yan ang height qualification han PNP. So for female ay under hiyahan Republic Act 1111549 of Section 2. For male, must have at least 1.57 cm nga height. For female, must have at least 1.52 cm. And number 9 naman, kinanglan must not be more or less 5 kilos from the standard weight hiton imo BMI. Ngayon ang number 10, a new applicant for the PNP, kinanglan 20 to 30 years old ani mo edad para ma-appoint ka as a PNP. So under naman iton under Weaver program may da under Weaver program kanan Napolcom Memorandum Circular number 2007-009. Una, iton kanan age para tagan kahin kuan Weaver kanan Weaver kinanglan para animo Weaver makarawat ngayon kinanglan matagan granting para mag-grant ka para matagan kahin kuan Weaver kinanglan animo edad kahin 20 or over 35 years old. Number 2, ikaduha naman para an imo height. Kung mga under ka iton requirement iton kanan PNP nga kung lalaki ka 1.57 isang bago yan ang requirements and 1.52 cm naman kanang anang babae kung diri waray pakaapong animo height so para mag-run kahin Weaver kanan under Weaver program kinanglan no ka bulig ka iton kanan cultural communities so kaditon kanan office Muslim affairs kung bulig ka iton matatagang kahin Weaver pero kinanglan liwat kadto ka iton ira office iton kanan uma. Ikatulo naman para mag-run kahin Weaver kay animo timbang sobra or kulang tatagang kahin 6 month para mag-comply. Pag diri nimo ma-comply iton nga within 6 month animo ang ginaaro nga weight i-dismiss ka. So diri ka na tataganhin weaver. So to be consider to the weaver, para may consider itong imo weaver, ipapasa kung may daning problema it kuan imo edad, imo height, or imo timbang. So para ma-consider ang imo weaver, una kinanglan may da nimo special skill. Example, martial art. So dito meron kang martial art, marksmanship, may dani mo mga iton nga may dani mo dapat special skill. Ani kaduha, may dani mo special talent. So gaditon field of sport, music, or other technical services. And ikatulo naman, para ma-consider an imo consider an imo weaver, dapat may dani mo experience or training kanan forensic science or other technical services. So asya lahat and para ma-consider an imo weaver, para to be appointed to the PNP. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Okay.